Greetings everyone and welcome to another episode of Road to be Proficient in Python, and on today's challenge we have print functions. So in the objective, basically in our task, we will read an integer n and we will print all the integers before the number n. Let's say we have the 5 and we want to print all the integers before. We need to print 1, 2, 3, 5 without white space. So actually we need to count until 5. That is the count. The print line contains an constraint here. Print the list integer 1 to n as a without spaces. Easy. Python 3. Let's go. We have the constraints first. N should be between 1 and 100. N greater than 1 and 150. Will be easy if we have output string where the output string, and you will see briefly what I will do. Actually, I will update this string as soon as we go, as soon as we counting through to n. We will make a for loop here. Count range 1 to 10 plus 1, because if you remember, this takes the interval of 1 to the n number, but not the n number actually. Something like in mathematics, something saying 1 to n, but here it's open that the range to this one. So we need to go n plus 1 in order to count the n. This parenthesis here denotes that we don't include to our interval the n number. So with that being said, so here and output string will be equal plus equal actually, or not. It will be count plus the output string. So the first time it will put the 1 here because the count 1 and the output string is empty, so it will be here like so. Next time it will put the 2, 3 until blah 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 n. So here this will be equal to there, and now we need to turn it. Without, we need to print it. Let's print it. We need to print output string. So I think we are right. I hope I write it correctly. And we run our code. Runtime error. And we need to cast the count. I didn't remember that. Sorry guys, I didn't remember that you need to, because in Java or maybe in C2 if you uh, do an add operation, you don't need to cast the integer. It does it automatically casting. It automatically casts it to 3. So run code now. Should be fine. Output. Oh yeah. Oop. Sorry. Now we should be fine. We pass the test case, pass the test too. Yes. So, congratulations, Evangelos. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and see you in the next one. Woo-hoo!